Let's get the image from the gallery, display a thumbnail in the image view, and prepare it for uploading to the Firebase story. For that, I'll use a new way in Android called ActivityResult Launcher, since startActivityForResult is deprecated. I'll start by initializing ActivityResult Launcher, passing string as its type parameter, and I'll name it as take photo. Let's initialize this and talk about it. Again, guys, we use this method for picking using the ActivityResult Launcher and the register4ActivityResult method here to pick a content from the user's device, such as an image or files. This feature is part of the Android X ActivityResult library introduced to simplify working with activity results. Let's explain more. Register4ActivityResult. This is a method used to register an activity result callback. It allows you to specify an activity result contract, a predefined contract or a custom one that describes the type of activity result you want to handle and how to handle it. And here we need to pass a parameter of type contract. So you can see we need to pass new activity result contracts dot get content. Get content is one of the predefined activity result contracts provided by Android X ActivityResult. It's used for opening a file picker or gallery picker to select content such as images or files from the device. This contract simplifies the process of getting content from the user. And here we need to pass another parameter, activity result callback, and we need to override on activity result method. Here we need to handle the selected content URI. So for example, you can display an image from the URI. So for that, I'll use imageview.setImageResource or image URI, this result. And that's it. We need to display the image. And here, add photo button set on click listener, we need to get the image from the gallery. And we need to specify what type of files we need to get. So for that, I need to use mTakePhoto.launch. The input should be of type image, all types of images. This is an argument that specifies that we want to pick image files. You can change it to other ME types based on your requirements. For example, PDF, videos, MP4, and others. But in this application, we are interested in the images files. I'll create this method in the add journal activity in order to allow me to run this application and test it. So to direct to the add journal activity, I need to go to the activity_journal list and I'll create a fab here in order to allow the user to create a new journal list. Wrap content ID, fab. And this hello green light, it's good. You can get this code 99cc00 and replace it. For example, I'll drag and drop this fab to here and infer the constraints, 16 from the bottom and 16 from the right. Let's move to the add journal activity, scroll up, and here in the widgets section, I'll create private fab floating action button. I'll initialize it here. Oops, I added this at the journal. So I need to go to the journal list activity and I need to add it here. And remove it from add journal. Go to journal list and initialize it. Then I need to add a click listener to this fab. And direct the user from the journal list activity.this to the add journal activity.class. Start activity, this fab, in order to direct the user from the journal list activity to the add journal activity. Run. Sign in. And this is the fab here. Click on it. And this is our activity. Click on this icon. And this is our gallery. Download. And I select this photo. And here we go. You can see it. This is our photo. We need to add other fields in order to be able to upload it to the Firebase Firestore. But for now, we're good. We learned how to get an image from the gallery.